Airclips.com.
7 degrees, anti-ice off.
Check. Du får lige low bank, 2000.
Ja.
Og du har en checklist.
Yeah, let's do flaps 28.
Top 28.
And then the checklist, please.
Og så bliver det minimum 128.
128.
Og den kommer på alpha der. Gør den. Ignition.
It's on.
Go around EPR.
Yeah.
Cabin crew.
Want.
Landing gear.
Danish 170, wind 12, 0 degrees, 19 knots, runway 08 left, cleared to land.
08 left, cleared to land, Danish 170.
Latest visibility 6 kilometers in lights, rain, clouds few, 800, broken 1100.
170. Spoilers.
It's armed.
Digital flight guidance.
All set for go around.
Flaps and slats.
Rechecked. Så tager vi speeden af her.
Rudder travel on restricted lights.
Ja.
Landing checklist complete. 1000 stabilized. Speed slightly high.
Coming back.
Runway.
Ja, blurred.
Hvad siger du?
Runway inside, but blurred.
Ja, but blurred, ja. $500 stabilized.
$300. For manual.
Check. Du kalder bare, hvis du vil have wipers.
Ja.
Spoilers. Lights maximum 1.6.
Idle only. We just let it roll to the end.
$80.
Danish 170, vacate to the right via Bravo with no lights or all the way to Alpha with the lights.
Hvad siger du?
Alpha.
It will be Alpha Danish 170.
170 and then via 26 left, the parallel and Charlie. Stand 1.
Alpha 26 left, Charlie stand 1, Danish 170.
Ja.
Nej, det er smukt at se en MD-80 i rutetrafik her igen.
Det bliver ikke smukkere, vel?
Det er sandt.
Airclips.com.